Hi, I'm Regina Toubray with the Four Rivers Association of Realtors, and we just had our first 4-hour CE class on Matrix, and we've had it with the CTX MLS Education Director, Eric Goff.
Hello. During this class, it is 4 hours. You get free CE credit. We cover anything from the beginning of MLS all the way to the advanced, so you learn the tips, tricks, and time-saving tools that you have at your fingertips.
Hi, I'm Angie Flack with eXp Realty. I've been doing real estate 6 or 7 years now, and this was definitely very informative for me. You think you know what you're doing, and you do overall maybe, but there's a lot of new changes, a lot of new updates, technology advances, so it's just a real good follow-up.
My name's Kelly Meyer with Lone Star Land, and I've been using the MLS for a long time, but realized I used about 12.5% of it. So thank you very much for showing me the rest of it, and I'll be happy to take another class to see if I can remember even more.
Hi, I'm Brenda Garza with Coldwell Banker, and this class was very beneficial to me. I got clarification on time frames for the MLS, as well as best practices and things that I can be doing better to market myself. So it was definitely worth my time.
So we're looking to bring this class to you on possibly a quarterly basis. Keep tabs on the Monday memo and look for when this is going to happen again.